For the past 15 years or so, I've made a living building carefully handcrafted, pixel-precise websites. I've absolutely loved the challenge of tackling even the most daunting visual designs handed to me by talented designers. You know the kind of websites. They look more like a printed work of art and less like a simple word process document with text and decorative clip art. Irregular column widths, multiple overlapping graphics, endless variation from one page to the next, all wrapped in a fly-out navigation structure 3 levels deep, and it needs to look the same in a dozen browsers. No problem. How soon can I start? A few years ago, I realized those same fixed-width, tightly controlled layouts were increasingly difficult to get just right in the quickly expanding universe of mobile devices and user contexts. And it wasn't because Internet Explorer couldn't keep up with Chrome and Firefox, although that was certainly the case. But almost overnight, those clever works of visual design and code were being viewed on tiny phones, tablets of all sizes, small laptops, and smaller netbooks, and even huge TV screens with game console browsers. I just couldn't keep up. I felt like I had lost control. I felt angry and frustrated. I even briefly considered other career options. At about this same time, I read Ethan Marcotte's original responsive web design article published on A List Apart. But honestly, I was having a really rough time getting a grip on this new way of thinking. It was like I was going through the 5 stages of grief. Surely this will never work. It'll go away if I just ignore it. I'm not giving up pixel-precise control. That's my specialty. We'll make minor adjustments so that it looks good on tablets. We can build a separate mobile site for the rest. Ugh, I don't want to go through this again. I already gave up table-based layouts. Hey, maybe this could work after all. I'll try it out and see what happens. In Ethan's original article, while borrowing from the field of architecture, he challenged us to embrace the inherent flexibility of the web, move with the ebb and flow, as it were. Instead of building a single device-specific display of our website, we should create a flexible foundation in which the content can adapt to the capabilities and limitations of the vast array of devices available today and in the future. Ethan's original responsive web design recipe includes the following 3 technical ingredients. 1. Fluid grids. 2. Flexible images. And 3. Media queries. Next up, we'll take a look at some example websites and examine what makes them responsive. We'll also look more closely at each of those 3 basic ingredients of responsive web design.